In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails go to a specific folder. Gmail automatically using Gmail folders. By the end, your inbox will organize itself, so important messages land exactly where you want them, without any manual sorting. First, open Gmail in a desktop browser and sign in. This setup is easiest to do on a computer because all the filter and label options are in one place. Once you're in your inbox, click the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. In the Full Settings view, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is where we'll tell Gmail which messages to catch and what to do with them. Click Create a new filter. A form will appear with fields like From, To, Subject, and has the words. Use these to define the emails you want sorted automatically. The most reliable option is usually the From field. Paste the sender's email address or even a domain to capture all messages from that source. You can also target specific subjects or phrases using subject or has the words. Keep your criteria specific so you don't accidentally catch unrelated emails. When you're happy with the conditions, click Create Filter to choose what happens next. Now, choose the actions. To keep your inbox clean, check Skip the inbox. Archive it. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything. You're simply filing those messages into a folder so they don't clutter your main view. Next, check Apply the label. Click the drop-down next to it and select New Label. This is your folder name in Gmail terms, since Gmail uses labels instead of traditional folders. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. If you already have a label you want to use, just pick it from the list. Before finalizing, there's a powerful option to tidy up past messages. Select Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This instantly organizes existing emails that match your criteria, not just future ones. It's a great way to clean house in one click. Finally, click Create Filter. You'll see your new label in the left sidebar. Any email that matches your filter will skip the inbox and appear under that label automatically. You can open the label anytime to read, reply, or move messages, and you can edit or delete the filter later if your needs change. This small setup can save you a lot of time and help you focus on what matters most. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.